I'm here with Dr. Alessandro Albuquerque. Dr. Albuquerque is the Chief Medical Officer with Recordati Rare Diseases. And I'm very happy to have you on these microphones.
Pleased to be here.
We've been having some fascinating discussions about Isturisa, the new indications. And I'm wondering, how does... well, it would be interesting to start with that question. What does a Chief Medical Officer do at Recordati?
That's an interesting question. So my responsibilities include not only all the medical affairs functions, medical education, and everything that has to do with the interface of Recordati with the scientific community, the scientific exchange that need to happen as we expand on educating and making sure we are treating the right patients with the right drug at the right time. But also the safety aspects of everything that we have, right? All these drugs have to, on a regular basis, report to the regulatory authorities. All the safety aspects, Recordati is extremely centered on patient safety, and we want to make sure all our products are safe. So, on the other hand, it also it's also related to the investments we need to make to keep these products generating good science and understanding what is the true potential of these molecules in helping patients to live better, survive more, and have healthier lives.
Yeah,
so all that is part of my responsibilities at Recordati.
Yeah. And so how do you go about looking at the data to understand what might be coming, or what are the opportunities?
It's an interesting question because it's really part of what we call insight. So we at Medical, as we intersect and communicate with the different healthcare professionals, being physicians, nurses, nurse practitioners, we are always interested in learning and understanding how they are using this. What's the experience? How do they see the science progressing? And really contributing to expanding on our understanding of our products and therapies. So by listening during these interactions with them, we kind of develop what we call our areas of scientific interest. Meaning, for every product we have, and Isturisa is no different, or Cilodrostat is no different, we do have an understanding of where we should go to generate additional evidence. Again, always with the willingness and the objective to be really what I call a science powerhouse. It's really driving our therapies and for the good of the patients based on science. And once we have those areas of scientific interest, that's what we put it out there, and always happy to receive proposals and ideas from investigators from different institutions in North America to help us advance and partner with these institutions for the better safety and delivery of the therapies.
So it's very interesting you mentioned the feedback you get, or the insight you get from the clinicians and HCPs. How do you go about getting that insight?
It's through the scientific exchange that our medical science liaisons, our MSLs, and also everybody that is involved in the medical affairs have. So in a conference, for instance, like ENDO is a major conference for us. So we have literally dozens of interactions with physicians while we talk about their experience, what do they see the science progressing, where do they want to go with the science. So all that is captured and then summarized in the meetings that we have internally to understand and provide us guidance where to go.
Interesting. Well, this is very, very illuminating. So I know
it is a fascinating area indeed.
Yeah. I mean, it's so, every time I think about, as a layperson, I'm trying to understand the complicated world of the pituitary and then neuroendocrine issues is fascinating. So I know you're extremely busy. So I want to thank you very much for your time, for taking the time to talk to us.
My absolute pleasure.
Thank you. Tante grazie. Mille grazie.
Grazie tante.